In this video, we will learn about what is bribe, the anti-bribery and anti-corruption policy at our workplace. What is bribery? Bribery refers to soliciting, offering, giving, or receiving of any valuable item which acts as a means to influence the actions of an individuals at a public level. Oh, so I understand that the anti-bribery will be quite the opposite to it. Yes, it is. Anti-bribery compromises activities that oppose bribery corruption of any kind. In short, it is a preventive and reactive measure which is to be taken against bribery. Is this policy applicable to only a certain set of people in an organization? This anti-bribery and anti-corruption policy applies to all individuals working for the company at all levels and grades, including directors, senior executives, officers, employees, whether permanent, temporary, consultants, contractors, trainees, casual workers, volunteers, interns, agents, or any other person associated with the company. Is gifting someone something also considered a bribe? Let me list down a few things which can be considered as a bribe. Cash vouchers, ticket pass to an event, alcohol, perfume, any other item in disguise of a gift. What if someone is accepting offering a bribe? Are there any consequences to it? Of course. It goes without saying. At Altum Credo, the actions may lead to the following. Warning memo will be issued. Increment will be withheld. Will lead to demotion. Termination. You know what? I saw Rick giving an event pass to Monty the other day. It seems that Rick was returning a favor to Monty for the work done with regards to a certain presentation. In this case, let me make you aware of the reporting mechanism at Altum Credo. This needs to be reported to the concerned person's manager or to the compliance human resource department. The case will then be reported to the internal audit team. The internal audit team will investigate the case further. Appropriate action will be taken accordingly. The NCR complaint as per the below format needs to be sent employeecare@altumcredo.com. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Be aware of the policy and the details. Educate others. Inform your respective manager and/or the compliance HR department if you see any bribery issue or suspicion of malpractice happening in or around the company premises. Inform your respective manager and/or the compliance HR department if you are asked to accept or give bribes of any kind. Don'ts. Do not accept cash gift services. Employees or members of their immediate families should not provide, solicit, or accept cash or its equivalent, entertainment, favors, gifts, or anything of substance to or from competitors, vendors, suppliers, customers, or others that do business or are trying to do business with the company. Do not turn a blind eye. If an employee willfully ignores or turns a blind eye to any evidence of corruption or bribery within his/her department and/or around him/her, it will also be taken against the employee. This is what anti-bribery policy is. And we hope that everybody has understood it.